Hey all, Dean Yeager here with the Treasure Davis team and Mayberry. Just want to welcome you to our community and remind you to stop out to the Parade of Homes. It's been a very popular parade this year. We've had tons of traffic come through. We have 2 more days left. It ends on Sunday. So definitely come check out our homes. We've been getting a lot of compliments on our staging, our floor plans, our garages, our multi-generational suites. Also, most importantly, if you're interested in buying a home in Mayberry, today or now is the time to do it, as our incentives end on Sunday. So every home except the Beacon gets a $20,000 incentive when you contract before Sunday, and then the Beacon gets a $5,000 incentive, and that's on top of our lender incentive. So lots going on out here at Mayberry. Come check it out.
The other day, my girl had done left me all broke.